I think today what we have planned is we're going to do a morning routine that we do on Saturdays. And the first thing we do is let the dogs out. So I got this big baby and we're going to throw him outside. It's still dark, it's 7 a.m. and get an early start to the day. I got to do before I get the pork butt going is feed the cat because she'll just cry. And these little butthole dogs over there, they like to eat her food, so gotta feed her meow before they come. So here's our butt. This takes like 12-14 hours to cook, it all depends. Put a tiny bit of olive oil on there, rub it in, super easy. You want to just get it a little moist to let that rub soak up. A lot of people use mustard, but I like olive oil. And then we get our rub here, Pappy's pork seasoning or something like that. Sam, eat your food. Sam, come here. What's that? Is that your food? Is that your food? You okay? He's eating. I hear she's eating. Good girl. And we'll be back. I'm gonna come out here and preheat the grill for about 10 minutes before we throw it on. Also, one thing I like to do in the morning is scare the ever-loving crap out of Heather. So we're gonna try and sneak upstairs and get her when she least expects it. And I'll see you guys then. What are you doing up here? Got her. Oh my god. Hey Charlie. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, Charlie. Oh, you want me to open the door?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it with my butt cheeks.
Open it wide enough.
Obviously.
Ugh. By the way, our
When you have to go through sideways, that means I can't fit.
Oh. Prong it. Are you gonna prong it yet?
No, wait a bit.
Okay.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before.
We found the bottle at Target and we filled it with apple juice and we spray it every hour, right, babe? By the way, it's gonna be so good. I'm actually gonna make Brandon and I a quick breakfast before we get to too much cleaning, and I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. I don't have any other sausage defroster right now, but I love this chicken and apple. It's amazing. Gonna make like a 3-egg omelet on each, but I'm gonna put Brandon's on some bread. And he doesn't like cheese, which is so weird. Honey, I called you out for your not liking cheese. Thanks. So I'm gonna put cheese in mine. This, by the way, is so amazing. Obviously, I'm gonna put more seasoning in than just this, but you can literally just put this in anything, and it's like a mix of seasonings. It's amazing. And power greens. So anyways, let's get started.
Waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Aww, doll. And now we're gonna cut his hair. Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Look at this. It's so cute.
Honey.
Honey.
I got off the wires when I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, yeah. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. It's just fire. made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you begin. With my music again and again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired. Fire. I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired.
In the background we have our little robot going, but I already started cooking and I'm almost done, but I wanted to show you that we are making lunch right now. It's not a cooking video or anything, but I'm just making Brandon some rice and some flank steak that we needed to cook from the fridge. It was marinated in Yoshida sauce and garlic, and it's so amazing. And then just some rice running. Anyways, just one. I noticed that somebody, Charlie, did you pee? Charlie? Yeah, so that's pretty gross. We're gonna steam clean that up with this brand new steam cleaner we got, so you're gonna see how well it works with us. My favorite days. Sam! Charlie! Come up here, you weirdos! I love you, baby. Sam, come on. Come on. Yeah. So Samson can't jump. One of these days I need to do a story time on like his whole story, but it's pretty traumatic. But he is literally the cutest, most amazing lap dog ever. Aw, baby. He's gonna go kiss him in the face. So predictable. Oh my god, he's so cute. How much longer on the park bet, babe?
An hour or so.
So we're playing, well, I'm watching, and he's playing Red Dead Redemption 2 I got him for Christmas, which, by the way, was like, a month and a half ago, and he's just now playing it. Baby. Chirpy chirp. You guys like my slippers? They're so cute. They're bearable. We've been watching Luke Cage for like the last, I don't know, little bit. And it's finally time for pork butt. Yes. So, honey, Tell all of our friends on YouTube what we're doing with the pork.
Tacos.
Well, yeah, but I mean like with the setting it in the cooler and stuff.
You let it rest so that it is easier to break apart.
So we're gonna wrap it in an old towel and leave it in a cooler for about an hour so it can rest easier, right?
Yep.
Pretty
And
much.
stay warm.
You guys, it's like, look at this Arizona sundown. It's so pretty.
Sunset. Sundown.
I know. Whatever. Does it look good?
Yep.
Get it off the bye. Hey, your arms look really good.
Thank you. I work out.
Do you even lift? Honey, get it so I can show the camera.
Honey, I want to make sure I get all the meat. I'm not just yanking it
I'm
out.
just following you around like paparazzi.
Yeah.
Don't ask for my help. Honey, our palm tree's dying, I think.
Let's go.
Alright, you got it? Alright, I'm following you. Following. Pans on the... Oh, you're just gonna put it straight in there?
Yeah, what do you plan on doing?
No, that's fine, it's perfect. I don't know what to expect. Do I just put it in there and wrap it up, or?
Yep, wrap it up, close it up.
Okay.
Tuck her in.
Tuck her in for a little nap.
Bedtime story.
Okay, so we're just gonna leave her in there for an hour, and then you guys are gonna do a little cook with me. I'm super excited. See you soon. Reveal. Yes.
Before we peel the pants off.
Yes. Oh yeah, there she is. There she be.
Nice and black.
Ew.
Stick it.
Alright.
Looks good.
Looks super good. Why don't you like pull it apart? Okay, so we're in business to start cooking the tacos. I just got this for Valentine's Day, so this will be my first use of it. Here's the ingredients for the tacos minus the cilantro because we found out that the cilantro was bad. Just corn tortillas. I really like tortillas. Radish on mine, a diced onion. This stuff is amazing, you guys. Green Dragon hot sauce for the topping. I put tapatio in the meat. This stuff is like 59 cents or something at Fry's. I put it in the meat. Pepper, of course, duh. Taco seasoning, and then oil to crisp up the tortillas. I'm gonna do that in the background. You might see me doing that, but I'm gonna focus on what I put in the meat. And let's get started.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel
cut off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see.
Hey guys, so I didn't record it, but my brother actually came by and he helped us move our fridge that's been here, that black one, finally to the garage. So didn't record it, I wanted to, but I forgot. Hey Charlie, what are you looking for? What? You cute. Alrighty, so we are just settling down before bed. I guess we can kind of overview. You pretty much spent the day with us. All we did really today was, oops, let me get Sam. Clean and cook the pork butt and just relax. I didn't record us playing video games. We played some, what is that new game, babe?
Super Mario Bros.
We had Super Mario Bros. And we were playing and I was horrible. But I did start to get better at the end, right, babe? Mm-hmm. So, and now I'm just watching Brandon play Red Dead 2. We'll probably go to bed and watch some more Luke Cage because we're like super obsessed with like the Marvel series right now. But I'm sorry about this horrible lighting. Hold on. I turn off the light because I want it to be like, oh, we're going to bed. Because we kind of are. So this is the end of our video. We just want to say good night. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. What do you say, babe?
Like, comment, subscribe, ding the bell.
Ding the bell. Good night, you guys. Thanks for spending the day with us. Oh yeah, hold on. Of course you guys want to say goodbye to the puppies, right? Wait, can you even see Sam? No. Charlie, say goodnight. Good night. Oh my god, that was too cute.